What is Android Wear? Let us see what is Android Wear. It's a watch with touchscreen, what it has all got, what kind of hardware, software it has got, what it can do for us. It is powered by Android 4.4 KitKat. It pairs up with our smartphone using Bluetooth. It looks like Android smartphone and Android Wear smartwatch are made for each other. These are the kind of notification we can expect from our Android Wear. Later on we will see in-depth notification and how flow of notification is triggered and controlled. Hardware partners, we got big companies like Asus, Motorola, Samsung, LG, Sony. All of them are already dominating smartphone market with Android. Now they have launched their hardware for Android Wear. So developing apps and deploying them on Play Store for Android Wear makes Android Wear very promising market. Google has already stated that developing app for Android Wear has $8 billion revenue potential on Play Store for individual developers. Android Wear is no doubt a gold rush.